Good day, Mr. Student. This is my topic. There are 5 SEC and 551 SEC located in Mindanao. Sa Mindanao daw, meron daw mga SEC shadow courts na mamamag ng mga kaso tungkol sa pamilya, karapatan tungkol at mga usaping panlipunan at paninegosyo ng mga Muslim ayon sa PD number 1083. Ang decisions ng SEC ay hindi pinadali dahil maaari pa itong suriin ng Korte Suprema. In order to further maintain objectivity in the system, the judicial branch sometimes transfers one judge or even case from one city to another. Defensor Santiago, Section 15, Article 15 of the 1987 Constitution provide a timetable for the resolution of the case. Courts and meron ng 3 months for all other lower courts, and case the issue is not resolved within those period, a certification signed by the Chief Justice and presiding judge stating why the case has not been resolved shall be issued and served to both parties. Section 15 further goes on to say that despite the expiration of applicable mandatory period, the court without prejudice to such responsibility as may have been incurred to consequences, therefore shall decide or resolve the case or matters submitted thereto for determination without further delay. Ay sa salingang batas sa 1987, may tatlong panahon para magsulba ang mga kaso. Like, gaya ng 2 taon para sa Korte Suprema, 1 taon para sa mga mababang Korte Kolegiado, tapos 3 buwan para sa iba pang mahabang korte. Hindi ito maresolve sa 3 oras, dapat malabas ng certification o paliwanag ang hukuman kung bakit matagal, ngunit pag-decision pa rin agad ang kaso. That's my part of the report.